All right, guys, we're at Van Wert County Fair, and I'm gonna just let you see if you're rich, you can buy all this, and you will be so happy. Look at that. These RVs are so expensive. Rich people can do it, can buy it. All right, let's go have a tour here. This is nice. Look at that. Ooh, man. That's right. Just relax. Look at all this. Let me see. Ooh. All kinds of closet. Oh, this is where you're trying to cook while you're on a campground or camping or doing something. Feeling rich, you know? Look at it. They got the built-in microwave. This is, it's a house. Look at that. Look at that. This is nice. You got your couch, folded couch. Look at that. Man, I can afford this. This is, rich people can do this. Well, what can we say, you know? This is nice. Look at this, a refrigerator. Ooh, going to camping. Look at that. It's really nice. Ooh. Freezer. Well, how do you open the freezer? Oh, it's locked. Maybe there's a beer in here. I think so. Oh, duh. Look at that. Nice. Feeling rich, you know? And you can put your TV. Oh, yeah, there's TV right there. Let me see. Oh, nice. Got some closet right there. But, oh, look at that. You can cook and you got oven. All kinds of, let me see. Let me open this up. Oh, my God. Look at that. Nice storage. This microwave is nice. I'm not gonna open that. You got socket in there inside. This is really nice here.
Oh my
I'm telling you. Hi. Yeah, it's really nice. Go ahead, sir. All right, go ahead. Let's go check out the rooms. Okay, the rooms here. Looks nice. Look at that. Oh my God, you're feeling rich. If you're feeling rich, that's it. Look at that. This one folds up. And yeah, you got your closet right here. Big closet. Oh my. This is really nice. All right, you got a bathroom. Somebody, some soap, you know, spill some soap.
All right, let's go find it.
Oh, you got your, look at that. Hose. Ooh, no water. Sink. All right. Toilet bowl. It's really nice. All right, let's go to another RV. Let's go right here. Oh, you have refrigerator and stove. You can pull out. I didn't broke it. But you could just pull this out. How do you do this? Oh, you got that. Yeah, you just do like that. Pull out. Look at that. Oh, man. Look at that. And you can just put it back there. Lock it. Refrigerator. All kinds of, you know, GBL sound system. This one is, yeah, for your, what do you call this? Water supply. You got your power shore. Oh man, this is nice. Look at that. This is the only one that I'm gonna show you, okay? I mean the fair is okay. You got, the festival, the fair, and the festival is good, but this is the best attraction, the main attraction. I mean, at the festival, always food and all that. But this is, I wanna let you see. I want you to work hard so you could have this in your life. Look at that. Woo! Pantry. Look at that. Nice. Ooh, don't close. Oh man. Another refrigerator. Oh, it's locked. You could put your TV here. You got couch. Yeah, it's really nice. Let's go check it out here. But see, the only thing that is bad about this is you have to have a 350 pickup to pull it, you know. Maybe 250. If it's just yeah, even if it's a E150 Ford or anything Chevy, it can pull this. But yeah, owning this, and plus you need a heavy truck too, heavy duty truck to pull it. All right, let's go. This is called sailing force. Yeah, let's go. Check it out. All right, we're on this one. This is the big one. We're gonna have a tour here. All right, we're gonna go inside. This is where you put the little thing on your truck. You need to have a big, a 400 probably, to you know, get this trailer put in, and then right at the back. All right. Look at that. Oh my. You got your, yeah. You got storage here. Big storage. Power shore. Look at that. Refrigerator. Oh my. This is nice. Okay, let's go in. Okay. Okay, you have your, you know, recliner chair. TV. Look at that. This is your kitchen. And you got an island right here, a big refrigerator. Oh my, oh my. And you got a bank bed, look at that. You got a bank bed, you got your TV, you got all the storage, look at that. And you got your like little canopy, kind of like, and you have to go up. You got your bank bed here, look at that. You got a couch, oh my. And then you got your, you got your toilet, sink. Look at that. Oh man. All right, let's go check it out up there. Let's go. Oh man, this is where your bed. And then you got another one here. Look at that. Only, oops. You got your storage here. Look at that. Oh, you can put your TV here. Oh yeah, you can put your TV here. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. You can also use that for storage while it's opposite. Oh, go ahead. I don't want you to be on the phone. And this is nice here. Look at that. You got, oh, look at this, infrared or stove. Oh my. Relax. I said relax. Relax when you're paying a lot of money. Oh my. Look at that. Yeah, big TV. You got a heater. Yeah, no link. You have already what do you call this? Wi-Fi. And look at that. All that. Okay. Look at that. All this. Let's go check the bedroom. When they get out there, we'll check the bedroom. Okay. All right. Oh, let's go check the refrigerator first. Let's check the refrigerator. Oh man, this is the freezer. Look at that. Only for the rich. Or if you win the lottery. Oh, lar. It's a lot of print people. Nice. Nice. Oh. Let's see, we got people here. No? All right, now we're going in. Oh, let's see. This is oh, Jesus is it. Okay. Now we're going here. Oh, double sink. I'm not the ugliest blogger. Whoa, you got a glass door. You know, man, I don't know how much does this one cost. You got your, oh, nice, man. I can, toilet bowl. Give me at least, I don't know, rest of my life. If I could get this before I could get this. I cannot get this. I cannot afford this. Look at this. Nice. You got your own chest. Look at this. Oh my. Look at this. Gloss. Oh, you got your spouts. Oh, you can put a washing machine here because you got the outlet for the water. Oh, you can go. Yeah, this is like put anything in there. Look at that. You got two windows. Oh, this one is pulling. It could pull out and pull back. Yeah. So it will come back this far. All right, guys. I think this is the tour. Thanks for subscribing. I'm just trying to show you if you're going to be rich, take one, buy one. All right, guys. Thanks for subscribing. I hope you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to hit the like button. Okay? Thanks. Oh, okay.